Hello friends, this is Abhishek Bendre. Today we are creating a new project which is based on custom grid view. Today we are using a jQuery for creating a custom JQGrid. Let's start how we can manage that. Here I am creating a new website, and you need to just follow the steps. We need to add jQuery links. So if you don't have any jQuery links, then you can download it from web. See, we got a jQueries, so I don't want to download it from web. Okay, here I'm adding a new page called grid view. Add link of jQuery. Here you can add a minified version of jQuery, whatever you want. Okay, now I'm creating a database in my SQL server. ID, integer, first name, text, last name, text, city, also text. This is my primary key, and the table name is student. Okay, I'm inserting some records in student table. One, Abhishek Bendre Surat. Okay, we have 3 records. Now we want to display these 3 records using jQuery on our grid. Okay, now we have to link the database over here. Create new connection. Sorry. SQL server. Okay, server name, we have to provide a server name. Okay, it's a demo database, test connection. Okay, our database over here. Now just right click it on and collect the connection string and write this connection string in web.config. Over here you have to change the password. You have to write the password over here, otherwise it will not work. Okay, it's done. Now I am taking a button over here. Input type is equals to button, name is equal to button load data, ID should be same, and value is load data. Okay, now write a script here. Script dollar document dot ready okay, on click event of btn, I hope you are familiar with the structure or syntax of jQuery. Okay, this is our click event. Now I'm testing this click event whether it's working or not. View in browser. Yeah, it's working properly. Okay, now we have to write C# code. Okay, now I'm importing some useful namespaces. Okay, for getting all the records using jQuery, we have to create a web method. For that, this web method will return all the records to the EdgeX method, which is written in JavaScript. Okay, now first of all I'm creating a service. For that I have to import web service namespace. Then after public static, return should be string, public static string, and get all records. This should be a web method, otherwise we cannot access. Okay, now SQL connection, cn equals to new SQL connection, configuration manager dot connection. What is the connection name? Application service dot connection string. SQL data adapter da equals to new. Write your query, select star from student, pass the connection, Initialize your data set. Sorry, SQL data set. It's not SQL data set, it's a data set. ds equals to new data set, and da dot fill ds. Okay, here we have to return a string, so that's why I have to create a full string. Okay, or you can use JSON converter, DLL. You have to download it from internet. Okay, let's do it that. For downloading the JSON Newtonsoft, you have to write command over here. Just go to tools and then package manager console, and just write this function, command, and you will automatically install the Newtonsoft.json libraries to your project. Okay, after that you have to use this, just like this, return data is equals to JSON converter dot serialize object. The object which you want to serialize, it's a ds, and the formatting should be formatting dot intended. Okay, it's done. You will get all the data, and we have to return the strings to our EdgeX method. So return data. Okay, it's done for web method. Now we have to write a JQuery function, or JQuery EdgeX method. Okay, just come here and write your EdgeX method. EdgeX, okay, URL should be your page name, that's gridview.aspx / your method name. The method name is get all records. It's done. Data, so we don't have any parameter, so skip it. After that, type should be post. After that, success. We are just giving a message for testing whether it's success or not. After that, error. Data type should be JSON. Okay, now let's check. View in browser, console, and load data. Okay, it's success. Let's check. Okay, result .d, view in browser. Oops. It's returning a whole page, so I think we have problem with our method, so I'm giving a breakpoint. Load data. The method was not hooked up, so I think there is some problem. Let me check it first. Yeah guys, Actually we have skipped the content type. We have to specify the content type like application.json character ut f8-8. Otherwise your request will not accepted on server. So now let's check. Load data. See, our breakpoint is over here. Now let's check. All the records are stored on dataset. Now the dataset is converting to the JSON string. Yeah, it's converted. See, 3 records over here, and after that this will return to our EdgeX method object. Now we're gonna use here result.d. What happened? Let's check. Now remove this breakpoint. F5. We get all records. Okay. Now we have to show all these informations in a table. Okay, just like a grid view. So we have to write code here where data is equals to. Okay, now where array is equals to data dot table alert array. Actually it's a blank. For data dot $357. Okay, it provides a total length, but we have to parse this string to the array. Then after we can get a proper information. That's why we have to download another JS called JSON converter. So just go to Google. Okay, we have to pass the result.d. Whatever the result is, it will pass to an array. After that we are my array equals to data dot table. Now what is table? I show you. Just wait. Okay, here when the result is, we got the result. See, we got the result like this. All the records are stored in a separate array and the name of array is table. So here I have written a table. It will return me a complete table. So let's check the length of this table. so we get a little bit information about our tables. So length should be 3 records, my array dot length. See, length is 3, that means we got a proper information. So now here I am using a loop, length. Okay, create a small variable just like a temp is equals to blank. So we are using a table in it, table, and a tr as well, thid, slash th, after that th, it should be first name, after that th, last name, th, tr. Okay, the first row is complete. Now start the second row, temp plus tr. Okay, now temp plus equals th slash th, double quotes, plus plus. We have to pass the id, first column, so we use my array of I dot id. The id, what is id? The id is our column name, this one. Okay, after that it's a first name, temp plus is equals to my array dot first name, and same way for last name, my array dot last name. This name should be as equal as our database field, and for last our row is complete, so close the tr. Okay, I'm assigning a attribute border is equals to 1, specify it in single quote. Okay, now here I'm taking a div and id data, so all the table is appended into this div. So I am writing $#data dot append temp. Okay, and before starting we should clear this div. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, see, last name is not properly displayed, so I think we have spell mistake for that. Let's check last, LASTNAME, last name, copy, and yeah. Okay, now refresh your page. Always try to refresh by pressing Ctrl F5. Okay, it will remove the cache, so our data will load properly. Okay, this is the first part of our JQuery JQGrid tutorials. For the next part, we are adding some more buttons on each and every row, like edit or delete buttons, so we can create a custom grid view just like ASP.NET Grid Views or a JQGrid. Till then, please subscribe my channel. Till then, this is Abhishek Bedre signing out. Thank you for watching. Bye.